Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today started out really slow, like painfully slow. No good tippers, barely any decent orders, and honestly, I was just sitting here rambling into the camera. Well, don't worry, I cut most of that out. So here we go. This is the first problem of the day. The app won't turn on. So this is how I fixed it.
Alright, so I'm having issues with the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this dash, I'm going to press the Dasher app. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, and then I'm going to have app info here on the edge. Okay, see that? And now I'm going to put force stop and OK. And it's going to force stop it. Now this is good when you're having a problem with the app and it just doesn't want to work right. And then you hit open. And then that will restart. That will restart it. And now it goes in. See, now it went into my time here. Oh, Burger King, 0.7 miles, $2. Gonna start off real good today. Everybody else has probably declined it. Just picked up another order. The $2 needed death this morning. $4.25 going 2.5 miles. We worked 1 hour, made $8.25. So I just got out of Dollar Tree and I got these two things. Okay, so I just picked up that order, and this is what Grubhub's order looks like. And I'm going to put that I got the order. And then it'll ask you if you're leaving, and you push yes, you're leaving. And then it's not going to tell you the address right away. You just put navigate. Okay, what we'll do is we'll try to do this without taking the photo. Did it work? Yes, it did work. That's the first time that has worked, so they must have had to pick up on it, that they were going to be there. Alright, now I will start Doordash, and it's going to log me in around here, and I'm going to head back, but I'll pick up any orders that might be around here. I just got an order for Applebee's, as soon as I got my my TV on. Confirm pickup. I have no idea how much this is going to be, so this will be interesting. Yeah. We're going pretty far away too. Yeah, I've taken this before. They don't really sit very well. So let's see what we get. Ah, 916. Better than what I thought it was. Pumpkin. They must be having a rough day. I got 716 from that, sorry. So I got back to town and I got another order pretty much right away. And picked up at a pizzeria, and nothing was ready, so I think they had just gotten a really big order. So I waited like a good 15 minutes for that. But that's okay, we're dashing by time right now. That's not going to hurt us. 1265, not bad. Got another order almost right away. Got a pretty high-end restaurant. Okay, so I dropped off that last order from the fancy restaurant, and I got over $27 for that. That was 11 miles from the restaurant. So that was pretty good. And on my way back, they gave me another one. It said 16 miles. There's not a lot of Dashers around here. Maybe they all took off to watch football. I still need my milk and creamer and kitty litter though. 1929, and that was 10 miles away, so that's not bad.
I worked 6 hours today. I drove 118 miles. The gas cost me $11.80. The mileage deduction will come to $79.06. Let's see how that affects the ending figures. My total income was $109.56. If you minus out the mileage deduction, my taxable income comes to $30.50. You also need to do self-employment tax. So the gross income minus the gas divided by the 6 hours, I should have made $16.29 an hour. So what started out as a super slow day actually turned out pretty decent. If you've ever had a day like this, let me know in the comments. Do you stick it out, or do you call it quits when it's slow? Thanks for watching and have a great day.